how was your childhood like in Delhi? Was cooking and having big meals a part of your family times?
Mom would be cooking, and both of us, me, my younger brother, sitting on the kitchen slab, एक एक रोटी उतरती जाती थी, and dad would be breaking it, एक मेरे brother को, फिर मुझको, फिर माँ को, और फिर खुद.
And did you go on any holidays or?
Oh yes, lovely holidays. We used to go to a place called Gazipur. Gazipur is 2 hours away from Banaras, and that is when the entire Nanihal used to collect over there.
Do you have any family tradition? And when it comes to holidays, कि हम
जन्माष्टमी पे झांकी सजाना है या ईद पे घर में सेवइयां बनाना है. क्रिसमस पे हमारे यहाँ ह्यूज क्रिसमस ट्री डेकोरेट होती है.
the one dish you must eat on every holiday?
Cakes.
Street food in Delhi or home cooked lunch in Lucknow?
If I'm in Delhi, why not street food in Delhi?
Hello and welcome to Club Mahinda Presents Magical Memories in association with the Indian Express. I'm your host Khyati Rajvanshi, and today we have a guest who wears many hats. She's a teacher, master chef winner, entrepreneur, author, a mom. I think she's a Wonder Woman. Please welcome Chef Pankaj Bhadoria. Chef Pankaj, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Hello, Kathy. Thank you for inviting me.
So, you were a teacher for 16 years.
Yeah.
And then you decided to pursue your culinary dream.
Yes, I did.
What happened? What led to that decision?
What happened? So
Yes.
something called MasterChef happened. So this is a very sweet memory. Let me share this with you. So हुआ क्या? This was June and summer vacations going on. And as you've already told everybody, I was a teacher. So me, the kids, we were all sitting at home watching television. Then all of a sudden, Akshay Kumar pops up on the screen and says, "अगर आपके हाथों में भी है वो जादू, तो Master Chef के लिए कीजिए audition." And the kids are like, "Mom, you must go because you cook very well." Yes, I was very fond of cooking, and I used to do a lot of cooking. And so when the kids said, कि आपको भी जाना चाहिए. Of course, I know every child likes to believe their mother is the best cook, but it's just that I also loved it. So I thought, why not? Why not? And so I auditioned for MasterChef, June ke घर में, and there are around 3,000 people lined up. Lucknow is a foodie's place,
Yeah.
right? And there I am, one of those 3,000 in the queue. सुबह morning 6:30 से queue में लगे हुए. My turn came in at 2:30, So till that time I had to carry my food and I had to ensure everything stayed good and all of that. So I auditioned for MasterChef. From there on, the story goes on and on. 3 rounds of audition in Lucknow. Then we are invited to Mumbai for the top 100. Then from there, the top 40. From the top 40 who went to the boot camp, 12 managed to enter the MasterChef kitchen, and then slowly, one step at a time, you see me there at the podium.
Wow. And how was the entire experience like of being in MasterChef?
And now that I think about it, it was, of course, a beautiful experience, a life-changing experience. Never imagined something like this would happen to me. All you would see on television as far as reality shows in those days were concerned were singing shows, dancing shows, and acting talent shows. But here, for the first time, you had something that, every Indian woman could relate to, because basically, हम लोग home cooked खाना खाते हैं, ना? So here was something I could, try out too. And so I had auditioned for it. So वो experience was, I must share something with you. Because this was a competition, it was very stressful, because 12 people who are living in the same house with each other are friends throughout the day. But the moment you are there on the set, you're competitors, right? And then this was a competition everybody was fighting for, right? And the stress of completing everything in an hour. 1 घंटे के समय में, 1.5 घंटे का समय में आपका घड़ी सुइयां चालू हो चुकी हैं, this, that. The whole environment was, to raise that competitive spirit in you and you were fighting for something. मेरे लिए it was more than just the MasterChef title that I was fighting for. I had to quit a 16-year-old job just to audition for MasterChef. You know, I'd started my career in a particular school where I spent 16 years teaching my favorite subject to the senior most classes. And then all of a sudden, one day, when I want leave to go to audition for something, I'm told either you quit your show or you quit your job. And I'm even told you're not going there because you love cooking, you're going there because you're attracted by the glamour of the television world. Now, you tell a teenager something like that, it makes sense. But excuse me, I'm a mother of 2 kids, I'm 30 plus, right? I was 38 to be precise at that time. Okay. So, for me, it was, and what did I do? I strongly believe when God opens a door for you, you know, or even that door appears before you, it is for you to go and open the door for yourself. Nobody else is going to come and do it for you. So either I could see myself, you know, living the same comfortable life that I was living, or take the risk, go open that door, see what was beyond that. Somehow I couldn't imagine living my entire life without with this thought in my mind, अगर मैंने कर लिया होता तो क्या होता? क्या मैं जीत जाती? I couldn't see myself living with that thought. So I thought, let's do it. Fortunately for me, I had a very supportive family and everybody said, yes, Pankaj, you must do it. My husband said, चली आओगी कुछ कर लोगी? I said, यार किचन तक तो आ ही जाएंगे. तो जाओ ना, हम देख लेंगे सब कुछ. Everything will be managed. My kids were very young at that time. And my ma at home said, तुम्हें किस बात की फिक्र? हम ही तो बच्चे पाल रहे हैं, हम फिर पालते रहेंगे. You know, it's so beautiful when you have a family who are ready to push you.
Yeah.
You know, to achieve your dreams. कि क्या हुआ? अगर मम्मा कुछ नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ? गई तो थी ना, बस इतना काफी है हमारे लिए. You know, when you have so much love and support around you, I think everything falls in place, everything makes sense, and everything is just happening there for you to do it. So, that's how I ended up in MasterChef.
Wow, so inspiring. And then you won, and how did you celebrate that with your family?
After I won, after the announcement was made, and
Yeah.
you know, fortunately for me, the family had been invited on the grand finale day. And we were there in Mumbai after that for about 3 days. And when I came back to Lucknow, there was a proper procession because the channel had, you know,
Like from the airport?
yes, you know, to
Oh.
take me back home.
Wow.
And then when I reached home, पूरा मेरा घर सजा हुआ था, you know, and it was like Diwali. My family was so happy. They were so proud of me. And my husband was there with me in Mumbai, but my mom, she ensured everything was done this way. My mom-in-law, by the way, right? And I had the most beautiful return ever. It was beautiful.
I can just picture that. It feels like I was there in that moment. So beautiful.
Yes, thank you.
And then going a bit back towards, you know, your childhood. You were born in Delhi.
Yeah.
You grew up in Delhi.
Yeah, I did my schooling in Delhi, yes.
And how was your childhood like in Delhi? Was cooking and having big meals a part of your family time?
Absolutely, absolutely. So, unfortunately, I lost my dad when I was 13. But the most beautiful memories I have are of eating together. So, what would happen was mom would be cooking, and both of us, me, my younger brother, we would be sitting on the kitchen slab. एक एक रोटी उतरती जाती थी, and dad would be breaking it. एक मेरे brother को, फिर मुझको, फिर माँ को, और फिर खुद. So that was our eating in winters. Summers में it went to the table, but it was always like all of us sitting together, you know, और सारे दिन की बातें जो होती थी. Fortunately, there was no television, or should I say television was only there for 4 hours, you know. But तो क्या होता था कि winters were like कि हम लोग किचन में बैठ के ही खाना खा रहे हैं, पापा सबको खिला रहे हैं और फिर खुद खा रहे हैं. तो वो जो एक वो जो एक बॉन्डिंग जो फूड के साथ और एक फैमिली के साथ थी ना, that I think is the most precious memory that I'll ever carry with me. Fortunately for me, both my parents were excellent cooks. Excellent, par excellent. You know, and I actually learned cooking from my dad and from my dadi because she was all of 16 when she got married. You know, and she didn't know cooking at that time. So,
Wow, so nice. And did you go on any holidays or?
oh yes, lovely holidays. So, for about 6 years, we were in Chandigarh when dad was posted in Chandigarh. So, most of our holidays were Himachal. कुछ हुआ चलो पिंजौर चलते हैं, चलो शिमला चलते हैं, चलो मनाली चलते हैं, चलो सोलन चलते हैं, right that way. And otherwise summer breaks when we were there in Chandigarh were like, especially winter breaks were like coming to Dadi's place in Delhi. And during the summers we used to go to a place called Gazipur. Gazipur is 2 hours away from Banaras, Varanasi. And that is when the entire Nanihal used to collect over there.
Oh wow.
You know, so all my masis, all my mamas, we had a huge house there, and all of us, we used to collect over there. So can you imagine about 12 or 14 of us kids and the entire family? It used to be 50-60 people together at that time. So मतलब I had 4 mamas, 3 masis. तो सब लोग इकट्ठे होते थे ना, it was no less than a मेला और a शादी in itself. इतने लोगों का खाना रोज घर में बन रहा है, all of us. बच्चों की वो लगती थी, ड्यूटी लगती थी कि तुम लोग खाना लगाओ, सबको सर्व करो. All of us used to sit down in lines and eat. और गंगा जी जाते थे नहाने के लिए रोज सुबह उठ के, शाम को खेलने जाते थे गंगा जी किनारे. So vacations have a, you know, very special place in my mind. बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं वो फादर के साथ, वो जो मदर के साथ मैंने टाइम स्पेंड किया ना, वो कहीं ना कहीं उसके साथ एसोसिएटेड है. बिकॉज अनफॉर्चुनेटली अगेन लॉस्ट माई मदर ऑल्सो वेरी अर्ली इन लाइफ एट 21. तो जो हैप्पी मेमोरीज है ना, आई थिंक वो टुगेदर वाली मेमोरीज है, जो आई थिंक फूड और वेकेशन, यही 2 चीज़ों के साथ होती है.
Do you try to carry that and implement that in your now family as well? कि चलो साथ में कहीं चलते हैं, छुट्टियों में खाते हैं, साथ में खाना बनाते हैं.
Yeah, of course. So, unwritten rule, dinner everybody has to have together on the table. That's where we again share the entire day's activities और सबका जितना gossip है और सबका जितना ऑफिस का क्या है सिचुएशन है, because we are all working together. तो उसका एक debriefing कह लो होता है या अगले दिन का क्या प्लान्स हैं वो होता है. एंड मेरा ज़्यादातर ट्रैवल तो वो रहता है कि वर्क रिलेटेड है. बट वी मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि व्हेन वी आर गोइंग ऑन वेकेशंस, देन वर्क इज सेट असाइड, देन वेकेशन इज अ वेकेशन, इवन इफ इट मीन्स अ वीकेंड ब्रेक और इवन इफ यू आर टेकिंग लॉन्ग ब्रेक्स, then we like to enjoy together, all of us.
What do you do to enjoy any activity, family activity?
तो यूजुअली क्या होता है कि इफ़ यू आर गोइंग आउट, इट्स मोर ऑफ साइट सीइंग, इधर घूमना, इधर खाना, उधर खाने चलो. आई रिमेंबर द लास्ट लॉन्ग ब्रेक दैट वी टुक वाज लास्ट ईयर. दिस वाज इन April 2024, and I had actually gone to Dallas for work. I was there for about a week, and उसके बाद हम लोगों ने पूरी फैमिली को वहीं बुला लिया. 15 days घूम फिर के अलग अलग cities, because we went to my daughter always wanted to go to Disneyland ever since she was a kid. So did I. So at this age we all went to Disneyland.
How was that like?
Oh, that was fun. It was great fun. बहुत मजा आया. You know, जो छोटी छोटी सी राइड्स होती है ना, बच्चों वाली राइड्स हम लोग ने वो तक कर डाली. Didn't miss out on anything.
Lovely. And so in the US you went and you went on a holiday and you visited different places over there with family.
Yeah.
Do you now get the time? You're running an academy in Lucknow. You also used to have your TV shows, but now you have your YouTube channel, social media, running all of that, day-to-day activities, right? How do you unwind with your family? Do you get the time apart from that one dinner that you mentioned?
Yes, we do. We do.
Yeah.
So we watch a lot of content together. You know, and तो ये शाम का ये है कि आफ्टर डिनर सब लोग थिएटर में पहुंच जाओ और वी हैव अ होम थिएटर, तो बस थिएटर में बैठ के ऑल ऑफ अस वील वॉच समथिंग टुगेदर, सम फन थिंग या फिर समथिंग सीरियस, व्हाटएवर इट इज, वी आर ऑल वॉचिंग इट टुगेदर. तो ये है कि एवरीथिंग इज लाइक टुगेदर. आई थिंक दैट्स समथिंग वी ऑल लर्न कि फैमिली से ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट कुछ भी नहीं है. And family time, together time is the most important thing for us in our family.
I agree. And do you have any family tradition? And when it comes to holidays, कि हम, कुछ लोगों का होता है एक tradition कि.
Yes. So I think we celebrate all festivals together. ऐसा कोई festival ही नहीं है जो हम लोग के घर में celebrate नहीं होता होगा. चाहे वो मतलब दिवाली होली तो है ही है, चाहे वो जन्माष्टमी पे झांकी सजाना है या ईद पे घर में सेवइयाँ बनाना है, क्रिसमस पे हमारे यहाँ ह्यूज क्रिसमस ट्री डेकोरेट होती है, और फिर वी हैव दिस ट्रेडिशन ऑफ सीक्रेट सैंटा आल्सो इन द फैमिली.
Oh, that's lovely.
So Christmas morning all of us sitting around the tree opening our gifts and then trying to guess ये किसने दिया, क्या किसने दिया. I think that's one of the most beautiful feelings. And वो फिर then extended family, my sister-in-law's family, that is also included in that. And then baking. That's something, Christmas पे baking ज़रूर होती है. So yes, again.
Have you taken short breaks or holidays with them recently?
I remember there is this train trip that we took together. It was a trip, luxury train called Deccan Odyssey, which started from Mumbai, traveled all the way down to Delhi, right? And going through Gujarat, Rajasthan, everywhere. And, being treated like royalty everywhere that you went. So ma, kids, hubby, me, all of us together. Then I remember there was this trip that I had taken. So we had gone to Kulu Manali when my kids were very young. And when we went up to Rohtang Pass, they were amazed to see so much of snow around them. They'd never seen snow before that. And then when they saw those, वो क्या थे वहाँ पे वो गीजर्स, नहीं वो क्या कहते हैं उसको जो हॉट वाटर, नहीं हॉट वाटर जो पॉन्ड से कहाँ पे मणिकरण में, they were amazed, ये इसमें गर्म में नहीं कैसे निकल रहा है, those things. Then there was this trip of Europe that we had taken, but it was just me and the kids.
Oh,
yeah.
How was that like?
Oh, that was fun.
Where did you go in Europe?
So I was a brand ambassador for a travel company, which took me to London. They went with me to London, and then we decided to travel Europe, and then we traveled across Europe together, and we had great fun.
What did you do? Like, where did you, do you remember the places you went apart from London?
Yes. So from London, we went to Denmark. From Denmark, we went to Netherlands to Belgium to France to Switzerland to Germany to, we crossed Luxembourg as well, and then we, Austria, and then, no, we missed out Austria. So, and then from there to Italy. And from Italy, back to India.
So it was like a 15-day, 20-day
yes.
holiday.
Yeah.
Break. And what kind of activities did you do there with your kids?
So we were there with this group, and we were traveling with the group. So everything was pre-planned. Yeah. Nothing to worry about. Yeah. The only concern my kids had was, Mama, jahan ja rahe hain, ye log Indian food khila de rahe hain, hame Indian food nahi khana hai. So, but other than that, we had a blast. So wherever we would stop, the bus was supposed to take pit stops. Yeah. So wherever we would stop, so there we would have these stores, convenience stores, and they would buy all their, sandwiches and pizzas and whatever they wanted to eat. So, but I think that was one of the most memorable tours because they were crying because they were not getting good food to eat.
And have you done that in India as well? Gone on holiday on?
Yes, I told you Manali, and then this trip where we were traveling through Rajasthan and Gujarat, being treated like royalty. Oh my God, that was one trip.
Wow.
And then we took a trip to Kanatal in the entire family again with my extended family, my sis, and we were actually camping, doing nothing, living in camps. And there are no activities to do so far, so to speak of. बस बैठे रहो, सारा दिन बैठे रहो, enjoy करते रहो नेचर को, और ऊपर चढ़ के जाओ, खाना खाओ, वापस नीचे आ जाओ, और फिर लैपटॉप पे कंटेंट देखो. That was also
very relaxing.
That was one of the best trips I remember.
Wow.
Very relaxing, doing nothing, कुछ नहीं करना, कहीं नहीं जाना, बस सामने पहाड़ों को देखते रहो, मजा आ रहा है.
Wow. That's very ideal. Is that your
Yeah.
ideal holiday now as well? If you were to take a holiday with your family now, would that be something you would like to do? Just unwind and be in the nature?
Definitely like to do the same thing again, but with a few more basic amenities there. Not the camp one.
Yeah, that becomes too much. Do you
That
want-
became a little too much for my mom-in-law.
Yeah, no, I can imagine. So that was lovely to know about your childhood memories and holiday traditions that you have now with your family. We now have a Club Mahinda Jet Set Go, where we will ask you a couple of quick rapid fire questions and you have to keep your answers rapid and fun
Okay.
and just have fun with it.
I'll
Are
try.
you ready?
Yep, sure.
Okay, the one dish you must eat on every holiday.
Cakes.
Okay, pick one. Staycation or big family getaway?
Big family getaway.
What's the most unforgettable food memory from a family holiday?
From a family. The men cooking for us.
Oh, nice. Pick one. Street food in Delhi or home cooked lunch in Lucknow?
If I'm in Delhi, why not street food in Delhi?
Who packs more snacks on holidays, you or the family, the kids?
The kids.
Have you ever planned a holiday just for the Instagram photos?
Never.
Have you ever changed your return date because you just couldn't leave from a holiday? You were having so much fun.
Oops, nope.
No.
No. Tickets are expensive.
Pick one. Best season for a holiday, summer or winter?
Winters.
Okay, what's the one weirdest thing you have eaten on a holiday?
Kangaroo meat.
So now it's time for Club Mahindra Flashback Frames. We'll show you a couple of photos from your holidays and you will tell us something fun. So here's the first photo.
This is the trip I was talking about. This is the entire family going, taking a luxury train called the Deccan Odyssey. And this is in Mumbai, right outside the train before we begin our journey. And we've all been welcomed with garlands and music and dance and a lot of food over here.
This is you, your husband and your kids.
Me, my mom-in-law, my son, my husband and my daughter.
Oh wow, that's lovely. And how long was this holiday for? 10 days?
8 days.
8 days.
8 days, yes.
Wow, that's amazing. Anything else that you would like to share about this moment? What's happening?
So, for us, all 5 of us going out is very difficult because I've got 2 pet babies at home. So leaving them at home for 8 days was very difficult for all of us. So, but we somehow managed, to have people take care of them. And then all of us together, we are out here. नहीं तो यही होता है कि जब सब लोग इकट्ठे जा रहे हैं ना, माँ भी जा रही हैं और सब लोग जा रहे हैं, तो these are just 1 day, 2 day trips. नहीं तो इतने दिन उनको कहाँ रखोगे बच्चों को घर में? So this is what is happening over here.
That's great. Can we have the next photo, please? Oh wow, it's a lot of people.
Yeah, so this is my family here.
Wow.
So this is my 30th wedding anniversary. A surprise party was thrown by my kids for us. So that's Ma in the center. Me right behind her, my husband, my kids, my sis-in-law, my brother and his son, and the other sis-in-law and her family are missing.
Where
here.
was this taken?
This is in Lucknow.
In Lucknow.
As I told you, this is a surprise party that was organized.
Can we have the next photo, please? Oh.
So this is Jaipur.
Okay.
This is the City Palace. They have a beautiful restaurant in the City Palace. So my sister-in-law was living in Jaipur. So we would visit her at least twice a year. And we'd always go here for lunch. So this is one of those lunches.
So this is with you, your husband and...
Yeah, the husband is the one behind the camera.
Oh,
So
he's
that's
in the
my
photo.
daughter
Okay.
on my right, my son next to her, my brother-in-law. On this side is Ma, my sister-in-law, and her kids.
Do you often go to Jaipur for holidays?
Yes, we used to, but now that she's come to Lucknow.
Oh, okay. Can we have the next photo, please?
That's Amsterdam, me and my husband.
Oh, nice. Tell us a bit about
So
this.
I'd been I'd been invited by the Cambridge University. This was 2012.
Oh.
No, 2011. So I was on my way to London, but we took a detour. We stopped in Amsterdam. My husband's friend was there, so we were there for a few days. Den Haag and Amsterdam. So this is one of those photographs.
What's happening here? You guys are
So
just...
we are taking a tour of the city, and we've just come out of that beautiful boat ride that you take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great. Can we have the next photo, please?
This is
so
one of my
Bollywood.
yeah, one of my favorites. So This is an event that took place in Ambi Valley, right? So IIMUN had an international conference.
Mm-hmm.
So I was there for that.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a picture from there.
What's happening here? I mean,
So it was beautiful weather, and I saw these huge swings, and I said, "रुक जा यार, 2 मिनट यहाँ बैठ के, we'll just enjoy the weather and enjoy," because it was just the two of us. So we stopped by, we were enjoying ourselves, and we asked the driver to click a few pictures. That's what he did.
very great. That was amazing. Thank you so
Thank
much for
you.
sharing all those memories. As promised, we have your lovely gift hamper,
Mm-hmm.
and this is from Club Mahindra.
Thank you so much.
I hope you like it.
Yes, thank you.
And before we wrap up, I was having such a great time getting to know, but it's very important that we also convey some important message to our viewers who are watching today. Do you have any advice for working women who want to pursue their passion, but they feel that they're stuck in a routine and they cannot, take time to even just unwind with their family or go on a holiday or even pursue their passion? What advice can you give?
I would definitely like to, say that it's important to cut out from your routine jobs. Take out that precious time that you spend with your family. And uske liye, I think you should go out somewhere. घर में नहीं हो सकता हो. So take a weekend break. Go to a place close to your city. Spend those 2 days, just you and your family together. Relax in a hotel. Just बिल्कुल pool के पास बैठे रहो. You want to go, shopping, do that, but do it together. I think there's nothing that is more relaxing than being with your family. And somehow vacation हो तो family है तो vacation है. दोनों के आपस का जो link है ना वो बहुत unbreakable है.
That's a lovely advice. Advice. Thank you so much for that. And thank you for being here today with us.
Thank you.
Taking precious time out of your, like I said, Wonder Woman schedule that you have. You have literally so many tasks, and I don't know how you do it. Hats off.
Thank you so
Well,
much.
thank you.
Thank you so much for inviting me, and thank you, Kathy, for being such a lovely host.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed listening to your stories.
Thank you.
And to our viewers, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Until then, keep making magical memories.